Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own pie crust. All you really need is flour, baking powder, a little pinch of salt. You also need vegetable shortening, which is different from lard. There's a difference, and depending on what sort of ingredients you're putting in, that will make a difference. And also, the secret ingredient in my grandmother's recipe is 3/4 cup of ice cold ginger ale. So what we're going to do is start with the flour, mix in, so we have 3 cups of flour. We put in a teaspoon of baking powder, a little pinch of salt, and then we will sift it. If you don't have a sifter like this cool one that I have inherited from my grandmother that goes around and round and round and round and round like this, which makes easy work of it, in a dust storm, you can use a sieve, or alternatively you can just whisk the ingredients together. Into that we will put in the 1 cup of vegetable shortening, and I've diced it up a little bit to make it easier. So from here, you're going to incorporate this. You can use 2 forks, but if you work really quickly and your hands aren't too warm, what you can do is to exercise those fingers that have been doing texting all day long and give them a good workout. So what you're trying to do is to get this to a point where you have grains of sand, but essentially that all of the ingredients have been incorporated. From here, you take the ice cold ginger ale. This is my grandmother's recipe. They had ginger ale back in the 1900s. It's 3/4 cup, or if you are working with a can of soda, it's basically half a can, or 6 ounces. And from here, again, you use your fingers. You could use a food processor if you wanted, but I always think it's a lot of fun just to get your hands all mushy. So we've got that done. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom, and you're incorporating all the little bits. You break it in 2, and from here what we're going to do is to take the bowl away, take that bowl away, get 2 pieces of saran wrap, press your dough into a disc, or close enough to a disc, and then you're just going to put it into the fridge for 30 minutes, and then from there you can use your